In the recent time, a lot have been asking me, how do I make my design pop? As in, how do I make the color look more bright and the image look more enticing to the eyes? So in this video, I'm gonna be showing how I how I gave these designs some little editing with some tabs using my smartphone. But before diving into the video, if you are a new viewer, please kindly click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing videos. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. So just like I said earlier, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your design, how you make it look more eye-catching, how you can make it look, how you can make your design, how you can pop up your design to make it more beautiful, the color looking bright, the image looking bright, how you can do this with your smartphone. So the app we'll be using is called Snapseed. The Snapseed app. I will be putting the link to download the app in the video description. This app does not have a pro version. It is all from Play Store. It is a free app. It is a free editing app. It does not have a pro version. So let's check into the app. So once you get into the app, this is the interviews you'll be having in the app. This is the interviews you'll be having. As you can see, we have the plus icon with the word tap anywhere to open a photo beneath the plus icon. This is the interviews. This is the first interviews you will be seeing once you open the app. So you just tap on the screen, just tap anywhere as it has been instructed here. So just locate wherever you have your designs from your folders. You locate where you have your design. So I'll be using a design. This particular design. This design is created with Pixellab. So I'll be giving this design some editing, which you can use on your designs as well to make it look popping, to make it pop up, to make everything look more brightful. So once you have once you've imported your design into the Snapseed app, just click on the tools here. Click on tools here. After clicking on tools, you click on detail. Click on detail here. Then after clicking on detail like this, you can see something up here. We have structure. Up here we have structure. Here you can see we have a structure which is on a 0. So you can just place your finger on the screen, you place your hand on the screen, then slide to the front. You can see the structure is now increased. You can see that, and looking at our design, you can see this look more bright than before. So just place your finger on the screen as well, slide up, and you will see sharpening. Under structure we have sharpening. So remove your hand, then slide to the front as well. You can see sharpening like that. Sharpening, increase the sharpening. You can just make increase these measures according to the texture of your designs. Designs are different. So the measure I'll be using on this design may differ from the one I'll be using on that design, so that it will be looking more bright. So it won't be looking the design will not look abnormal. So you can just make your measurement according to your design. So after that, you click on the mark icon here. We are done here. So you click on the mark icon. Comparing this, you can see this. Comparing this to the former one, you can see the brightness, the enticement, the look of the former design is different from the new one. This is the old one, this is the new one. So you can see that. So click on tools again, then you can see tune image, the first on the drop down menu. So just click on it, place your hand on the screen, scroll up to saturation, then increase the saturation to your own desire, to the measurement that will fit your design. Scroll up again to ambience, increase it. Scroll up again to highlight, increase it a little bit to what will fit your design. Then click on the map icon as we've done earlier. Then you can see this. You can see the former design. You can see the new design. So this is just as simple. This is just how I make my design, how I make it more looking brightful, how I make it pop, which makes it more eye-catching for looking. So you can just use Snapseed to enhance your designs like this, and if you like, you will change the looks as well. We have different looks here. We have a portrait, smooth, pop, accentuate, faded look. So we have a different looks like that. So you can just try accentuate as well. So you can see this as well. But I don't think this is looking more brightful. But if you use accentuate like this, and the screen is looking too it's looking brightful like this, the screen is looking brightful like this, you can just click on tools and click on select here. You have select here. You can just click on select here, place your hand on the screen like this, place it on the screen. Once you place it on the screen, you can see we have something like B on the screen. Scroll up to S. You can see we have B, C, S, S. The third S is saturation. The second one is contrast. The first one is brightness, while the last one is structure. So you can just scroll to saturation, increase the saturation a little bit, and then reduce the structure as well a little bit. I think the saturation is too much with this. So you can just see this. You can see the saturation of the screen has been reduced. You can just place it anywhere the screen. The screen is like that, and reduce the saturation. So that is just how you can edit your design using the Snapseed app. Please, if you find this video helpful and you find it inspirating, please try sharing it with other graphics design friends so that they can also benefit from this video. Thanks for watching.